Hey guys, I'm Chelsea for those of you who are new to my channel. If you're not, welcome back. I just got ColourPop's new peach collection in the mail, so I decided to do a peach look for you. I haven't done a peach look in a while, so I came up with this. Anyway, I'm so bad at intros, as you guys know, so if you like this look, please keep watching. Alright, so starting off, I'm of course going to prime my face, and I'm going to be using Ciate London's Watermelon Burst Hydrating Primer. I don't even know if I said that right, to be honest, but the stuff smells so good. Next for foundation, I'm going to be using Natasha Denona's Foundation X Plus Full Coverage Fruit Complex. I'm not going to do any cream contour today. I'm just going to go straight in with my concealer, and I'm going to be using Frankie Rose Cosmetics Our Little Secret Concealer in Ginger. And to set this, I'm going to be using my Too Faced Ethereal Setting Powder. I always like to have it ready to set my under eyes right away so that no creasing can happen. And I'm just going to set underneath my eye, not the eyelid just yet, because I'm going to go in with some shadows. I'm just quickly using this brush to set my chin. Just those places that we concealed. Then going in with a bigger brush and just lightly dusting the rest of your face. So now I'm just going to lightly bronze up my face using Natasha Denona's Tan Bronzing Glow Palette. You can see that it is well used. I'm going to be going in with this color. I'm just going to go in with this flat brush. This is my Morphe S94. I like the flat brush because I can go in and really carve out that contour. And then just blend that in. I like to get it onto my cheek as well, just because I'm going to blend my blush into it. Alright, I think that's pretty good. To contour my nose, I'm just going to go in with my Anastasia Beverly Hills A3 smudger brush. Pick up a little bit of that contour shade. And just go up and down the sides of my nose. And carving out my nostril. Curve across. And underneath. Then I'm going to go in with that brush that I used to set my under eyes. Just take whatever excess powder is left and blend that nose out. Now going in with my blush, I'm going to go in with ColourPop's Fresh and Peachy Pressed Powder Cheek. I'm going to be taking this on my Anastasia Beverly Hills A19 brush. Oh wow, it's a really pretty color. Alright, so for our eyeshadow, I'm going to be going in with ColourPop's Baby Got Peach palette. And to set my whole lid, I'm going to be going in with Darlin. I'm going to take this on my ColourPop F5 brush, sort of a bigger blending brush. Kind of a really big blending brush. I'm just going to make sure there are no creases in my lid. Going in with my ColourPop E2 brush, I'm going to go in with Okurr. I'm just gonna deepen up my crease with that. And outer V a little bit. Giving that entire crease. And then next, taking a thinner brush. This is my ColourPop E9. Wow, I almost dropped it. And going in with Half Baked, just to deepen it up a little bit more. Really just blending that into the crease. I'm mostly focusing it on the middle right now, but I'm also going to focus it on the inner corner and outer V later. Take those previous brushes if you need to blend out any lines that you just created. Alright, so now I'm going to do a cut crease. I'm going to go in with my ColourPop No Filter Concealer in the shade Medium 26. It's going to be a halo eye. I've just decided this right now. Now to blend this into your lid, just wipe off that concealer a little bit. And just kind of fade this out. So as you can see, I just kept it pretty thick in the middle, and then I just blended it out onto my lid. Now I'm going to go on top of this concealer using Get Even. And I'm going to be using that same brush I used to cut my crease. And by the way, that is my BH Cosmetics 11 brush, because I didn't mention that before. I'm going to start with my finger though, and just pop it directly in the middle. Ooh, wow, that was a lot more pigmented than I expected there. So let's start with that, then go on in with the brush. Do the same thing with the shadow that we did with the concealer. And to clean up the shadow above, I'm going to go in with an eyebrow pencil. Just pick up some of that half-baked darkest shadow. Now going in with that Okurr on that same brush. Just going to blend these sides out. And blend the middle out a little bit. And then going in with Half Baked. Using this brush, I'm just going to go lightly under my eyelid with that Half Baked. So for my liner, I'm going to be going in with ColourPop's liquid liner in Grande. It's the brown liner. I thought it would go good. I thought it would go nicely with this peach look. I'm going to do a thin line, not too thick. Alright, I have no idea what just happened to my audio there, so let's just hope it's fine. Now today I'm not going to do any lashes, I just wanted to keep it simple. I'm going to go in with my ColourPop's BFF Volumizing Mascara, and this is in the shade Brownie Points. It's a brown mascara, so I just wanted to make it go with the liner. For my inner corner and brow bone highlight, I'm going to be going in with Ready or Yacht. And to apply this, I'm going to go in with my Sigma Smudge E21 brush. It's just a really tiny smudger brush. Then for my highlight, going back in with my Natasha Denona Tan Bronze and Glow palette. I'm going to go in with these two highlighting shades and mix them. Taking this on my Morphe Rose Gold brush, this long thin brush I always use. And then on my nose and the bridge and Cupid's bow. Now for lips, I'm just going to line my lips really lightly using Boldly Bare by MAC. I'm going over that with ColourPop's Just a Tint Lip Crayon in Rise and Shine. They smell so good. And here's the final look. I want to thank you guys so much for watching this video and supporting my channel. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you want to see more. I really do hope you guys like this look and want to recreate it. If you do, don't forget to take a picture and tag me on Instagram at Chelseasmakeup. I'd love to see your guys' recreations, so please. If you guys have any questions or requests for future looks, please leave them below in the comments and I will get back to you. Thanks again for watching and hopefully I'll see you in my next video.